In this video, I will show you how to create the motion blur and blur effect you see here. It's actually a very simple technique, but there are a few things you need to pay attention to when applying it. Now here I have this footballer I cut out and I grouped it separately. First, I hold Alt and duplicate this group, then merge it by pressing Ctrl E, or you can right click and select merge group as well. After that, I convert it into a smart object and set the blend mode to lighten. I duplicate this one more time above it, so now we have two layers. Let's start with the first one. I click on the filter at the top, then blur, and from there I select Gaussian blur. As you can see, it created a really nice blur around it. You can adjust this value. Don't make it too small and don't make it too big either. It just needs to be about this thick. Let's say 18. See, this looks much better now. I click OK. I create a mask, then invert the mask. Then I select a soft brush, set hardness to 0, size large, flow 100, and just click. I don't apply it everywhere, only to bright areas like this one. This turned out quite well. Now let's move to the next layer. Same process, filter, blur, but this time I select motion blur. The current value looks nice, but I won't leave it like this because it's too much. Again, I create a mask, invert it, and the same way, apply the motion blur to certain areas only. Just a click is enough. As you can see, this is the result. It looks pretty nice. If you watched the video up to this point, as a bonus, let me also show you how I made the grain effect you see here. After finishing the design and doing the camera raw adjustment, I create a blank layer. Press Shift F5 and fill it with 50% gray. Then I convert it into a smart object. And from the top, go to Filter, Blur Gallery, Field Blur. Here are the settings I use. Blur 2. Make sure grain is checked here. Amount 98. Let me zoom in a bit so you can see it more clearly. This created a nice grain. Size 54. Roughness 52. Color 0 and highlights 100. These are the settings I use. After adjusting everything, I click OK. I set the blend mode to overlay, and then you can adjust how strong the effects is from here. For example, at 50 it looks like this. If it's too much, you can set it to 25 instead, but I generally use around 50. It looks really nice that way. I hope this video was helpful. If you are curious about how I create these designs, I have uploaded the PSD file and the speed art video to my Patreon, but if this video reaches 1000 likes, I will make a detailed tutorial video showing exactly how I create these designs. Alright, that's it for now. See you in the next video.